1.4 million applicants. Over 3,000 institutions. Will you be admitted? The world of college admissions is taxing on your emotions, challenging, and time-consuming. In 1 year, some colleges receive 40,000 applications. If you want to get into the college of your choice, you need to stand out. Our expert team will guide you through the time-consuming and often confusing admissions process to help you create a strategic, powerful and lasting impression. College Advisors Group college coaches can help you select careers, select colleges that truly are a right fit for the student. Write a college essay that makes an impact on an admissions officer to helping you find scholarships that will help reduce the overall cost of college. Preparing for college using CAG's college coaches is only half the battle. Once you get into the college of your choice, you need to plan to pay for college. Planning for and paying for college costs can be a tricky proposition given various tax incentives, overwhelming costs and financial aid considerations. We can help you sort through the maze of possibilities and point you in the right direction. College Advisors Group helps to ensure the success of your student by consulting with them one-on-one to help them understand the selection, admission processes, and procedures. One of the crucial ingredients to making college an affordable reality is to ensure that the associated costs are kept as low as possible. Maximizing the efficiency of your college tuition dollars all the way throughout the student's college career. Call us today at 401-821-0080 or visit us at collegeadvisorsgroup.com to schedule your free consultation so we can help you prepare for and pay for college.